Welcome back to Food Fanatics.
Welcome to Food Fanatics, where we delve into the captivating history behind our favorite dishes. Today, we're diving into the rich culinary heritage of Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Join us as we travel back in time and uncover the fascinating history of one iconic dish that has become synonymous with the city. The mouth-watering gumbo. Gumbo, a beloved staple of Louisiana cuisine, has a history that stretches back centuries. Its origins can be traced back to the early 18th century when West African slaves arrived in Louisiana and brought with them their rich culinary traditions. The roots of gumbo can be found in the traditional West African dish called okra soup, which consisted of a thick, flavorful stew made with okra, meat, and vegetables. The concept of cooking meat and vegetables together in a stew-like preparation laid the foundation for what would become gumbo. Over the years, gumbo evolved and absorbed influences from different cultures. In the late 18th century, French settlers arrived, bringing their expertise in creating a roux, a thickening agent made from flour and fat. The addition of roux transformed gumbo into a more complex and hearty dish. As the 19th century unfolded, gumbo continued to evolve, incorporating ingredients that were abundant in the region. The proximity to the bountiful seafood of the Gulf of Mexico and the fertile lands of Louisiana allowed for a diverse array of ingredients to be added to gumbo, such as shrimp, crab, sausage, chicken, and an assortment of vegetables. Today, gumbo stands as a testament to the cultural fusion that defines Louisiana's cuisine. The dish has become an integral part of Louisiana's identity, showcasing the influence of West African, French, and Native American culinary traditions. The cultural significance of gumbo is celebrated annually at events like the Baton Rouge Gumbo Festival, where locals and visitors gather to indulge in the flavors and traditions that have shaped this iconic dish throughout the years. And there you have it, the fascinating history of gumbo, a dish that has evolved over centuries to become a culinary symbol of Baton Rouge. From its West African roots in the 18th century to the contributions of French settlers and the ongoing love for local ingredients, gumbo tells a story that spans generations. If you enjoyed this journey into the history of gumbo, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories about our favorite dishes. And if you have any food histories or recommendations you'd like us to explore, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep savoring the flavors that connect us to our roots.